Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Today we want to introduce fruit Chapman, how and the importance of fruit Chapman. Before we go, we would like to show you the basic equipment that you need to have your fruit Chapman. It's very easy, it's very sweet, it's good for your consumption, it's very healthy. First, you need the basic fruit. You have watermelon, you have a slice of cucumber, you have lemon, you have a slice of pineapple. Now these are the basic things. The other things you need is you have your grenadine. Grenadine syrup is basically made of sugar, but it has some chemical composition in it. The next thing is your Augusteral bitters. Is basically for killing of excessive sugar in your Chapman. Then you have your Sprite. As you can see, your Sprite is here. You have your Fanta. These are the basic things you need. Then you have your cup. Make sure your cup is neatly washed, clean. Then you have your knife for cutting of the fruit. Then you have your measuring equipment for the grenadine and everything that will make it look nice. At this moment, we will now show you the way to cut the fruits so that you mix your Chapman. First, let's have our cucumber. You are going to cut them in small pieces so that it will give you the taste. You have your cucumber. This is how we cut our cucumber into small tiny parts, but we are not going to put all in the cup. We'll put small because we have a lot of fruit. So put small. We now have our lemon. This is how we cut our lemon. You know, lemon is a bit thick, so you take your time to cut it and cut it neatly. You're going to slice it small so that when you mix them, the taste will come out. I'm slicing my lemon. Now I'll put them in the cup. Now I have my watermelon. I'm going to get small part. I'm going to get small part out of it. We cut it into pieces, little by little, so that the taste will come out. And we are not going to put all of them because we have enough fruit. Now we are going to cut our pineapple. You know, pineapple has a thick bark, so you have to be careful so that you will not mix the bark. So you slice the bark, cut it too, little by little, mix them. Have our ice cubes. You put your ice to make it chill and taste good for drinking. We've just added our ice. Remember, we've had our cucumber, we've had our pineapple, we've had our watermelon, we've had ice, and now this is how to mix the drink. We're mixing it. You don't just pour. If you want a very good taste, you don't just pour. You pour them together. They are coming together. Can you see how it's bubbling? It's because of the mixing, they are coming together. It's because of they are coming together. We now have our grenadine. We are going to measure one of this cup. Look at the cup very well. This cup, we are going to measure one and add. This is one. We are adding. You are now seeing how the color is changing. We've added our grenadine. We'll now bring our Angostura bitter. This is the basic ingredient of a Chapman because it kills the basic ingredient of a Chapman because it kills the sugar, it suspends every other thing that is in the Chapman. So we're going to add a little, not much, because it's very bitter. Okay, we've added our grenadine. Now you can see that the content, after adding all these things, the content is not still enough. But we have to stir first, because when we stir, it's going to form, and we don't want the form to throw. So we have our straw. We use it to stir, so that we now know the content, the quantity. We are now mixing all the ingredients together. The ice has gone down. Everything, you are mixing them together. Can you see how the color is like? Color is changed. You can see the thing is forming. It's because of the Angostura bitter that has been added. You stir it very well. Make sure it gets down so that the Angostura bitters will get down. Now after stirring, you now bring your Sprite and Fanta to make it complete. Small quantity. Good. Good. You now just stir for 1 minute, and here our Chapman is almost ready. It's almost ready. Now for easy drinking, you cannot begin to gulp it this way. For easy drinking, you just use your knife, cut your cucumber this way, just slice it this way. Now you now have your straw, you have your cucumber. For you to drink it easily, you just remove your straw, you take your cucumber this way, pierce it this way. You can now fix it this way, so it will stand and will begin to see.
Wow! So guys can see fruit Chapman is very yummy. It's very, very fantastic. So that is all for fruit Chapman. It's very, very easy to prepare. If you have a guest, you can prepare it for your guests. You can even prepare it for your children. Please, it's very easy. It's not hard to prepare. Anybody can do it. So wait, let me test it. Let me suck this fruit Chapman. You can see how it looks. Very sweet. So you can, if you do it, this is how you drink it. Wow, it's very, very sweet. So that is all for fruit Chapman. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, comment for it, share it to your loved one. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.